Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your very own custom radio station in GTA 5 and include whatever songs that you want. So first off, I know there's been like a discussion about this, and there's a Reddit link I can leave in the description if you'd like to read everybody and their problems and how to fix it. But I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem of why the self radio station wouldn't be showing up in game. But first things first, what you're going to want to do is go over to your file explorer. Open that up, then go to local disk, users, go to your profile, go to documents, go to Rockstar Games, GTA 5, and then you'll see profiles, user music, videos, launcher.log, settings.xml. This is where you should be, and then you just want to drag the music into the user music box. I have 4 songs in here. Currently, you need to have at least 4 songs in here for the radio to work and for it to add it on there. And I'll show this all working later. But let's say I didn't have any of these songs in there, and they're all out here. Then there would be no user music profile loading up in the game. So I'm gonna open up the game. And you also have to make sure they're MP3 files.
Sure are a good kitty. Yes, you are.
Okay, here I am in the game. Unfortunately, all the way out here, way far away from a car, which is very annoying. But what I'm going to do is open up settings of the game, audio section in settings, and then it says that self radio mode is on radio, auto scan for music on, so it automatically scans for self radio in the game. A lot of people didn't know that. And as you can see, here is the different radios. Here, I'll turn the desktop audio up. It's probably echoing on my microphone. As you can see, there's no self radio on here. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to take these 4 files and we're going to put them in user music for GTA 5. So I have these 4 different files right here. Close that. Go into Grand Theft Auto 5. It's probably not going to work right when you just put it in. But you're going to want to perform a full scan for music. That way it scans for the music. And boom, look, self radio. It's talking right now. My song will turn on. Let's give it 1 second.
Taken narcissism to a whole new level. Self radio.
Oh yeah, it ain't over, motherfuckers. The motherfucking saga continues.
Yeah. There's self radio.